Efficient and safe transfer of grain cargo is crucial in maritime operations, especially when using ship crane grabs. These powerful tools are designed to handle heavy loads, but safety must always come first. Implementing strict safety protocols is essential to protect both crew and cargo. Always ensure that everyone on board is aware of the safety measures in place. Regular safety drills can reinforce these protocols, making them second nature to the crew. When securing the grab on deck, it's vital to follow best practices. Always check that the grab is properly locked and that all safety latches are engaged before lifting. This prevents accidental drops and ensures that the cargo is handled smoothly. Visual aids like diagrams or infographics can help reinforce these practices during training sessions. Proactive maintenance of the grab is another key aspect of safe operations. Regular inspections should be conducted to identify any wear and tear. A maintenance checklist can be a valuable tool here. Check the hydraulic systems, inspect the grab plates for damage, and ensure that all moving parts are lubricated. Keeping a detailed log of maintenance activities not only helps in tracking the condition of the equipment, but also aids in compliance with safety regulations. Before any lift, there are essential pre-lift checks that must be performed. Confirm that the load is balanced and that the grab is correctly positioned over the cargo. Communicate clearly with the team, using hand signals or radios to ensure everyone is on the same page. This coordination minimizes the risk of accidents and enhances the efficiency of the operation. Adapting the grab to your specific cargo is also critical. Different types of grain may require adjustments to the grab plates to ensure a secure hold. Understanding the characteristics of the cargo you're handling can make a significant difference in the efficiency of the transfer process. Always consult the cargo specifications and adjust the grab accordingly. Engaging with your team about these practices not only fosters a culture of safety, but also encourages feedback on improving operations. Share your experiences and insights, and don't hesitate to ask for suggestions. This collaborative approach can lead to innovative solutions that enhance safety and efficiency in grain cargo handling. Remember, prioritizing safety and maintenance not only protects your crew and cargo, but also ensures the longevity of your equipment. By following these guidelines, you can contribute to a safer and more efficient maritime operation.